Zahin Taira has left us today,
Yes.
and our heart goes out to her. And just to say, it's what a young soul, what a
Yeah.
lovely soul, what amazing plays that she's done and
Yeah.
left us with.
And मैं सोची थी वो कितनी अमेजिंग जर्नी है उनकी और उन्होंने
है
कितना
ना?
मजा किया होगा है ना वो टाइम टेलीविजन का जहाँ
जो-
it
when
was
it was
like a
starting,
family
yes, yes.
बज्जिया के plays
Yeah,
और हसीना
yeah.
के plays and
Yeah.
those were the times when
Yeah.
everybody was actually celebrating
Yeah.
constant celebration on the set and
Yes,
happiness
yes.
and joy
And like I say, she still enjoyed doing
And she
it.
enjoyed doing
It
it.
wasn't ke,
and I love the way she would dress up
oh, she loved her makeup.
Yeah,
she loved her little
makeup.
balis.
Yeah. And the flowers.
Yeah. So it's a sad day today, but I think for what she's done, and I think one should celebrate her life rather than be sad about her. I
No,
think,
she जो भी उनसे मिला
है ना,
उसके दिल में उनके लिए बहुत प्यार है
बहुत
और बहुत प्यारी कोई ना कोई प्यारी बात है
हाँ,
she was that kind of a
Yes,
woman that everybody
yes.
went away
Yeah.
with something special about
Yeah,
her
yeah.
कि उन्होंने मेरा ये कहा या मेरे लिए ये कर दिया या मुझे ये कह दिया so it's special. She was special.
It is, and she will be missed.
Yeah, she will be missed.
Absolutely.
Yes, I can still remember her.
Hannah?
When she and I worked, I remember.
Yeah, I remember.
Yeah.
I mean, recently I just
Yeah.
did a play with her, but Khuda Ki Basti mein, I just can't forget that
Yeah.
amazing character that she. It's such a strong, such lovely roles, strong characters,
amazing.
and into the whole.
Yeah.
Khuda Ki Basti for me was real. When I used to watch it, it was like it was actually happening.
Yes.
These were characters who were
नहीं,
living
वो
that
वक्त
life.
था ही सब इस तरह का कि you were never part of the crowd.
हाँ.
You were always an individual,
Yeah.
and everybody was an individual.
Yeah.
वो ज़माना था ऐसा.
हाँ.
And may she rest in peace.
May she rest in peace.
Yeah. And big hugs to her.
Yeah.
Her soul.
Yeah.
Yes.
Chale.
And thank you.
Thank you. It's been fun.
It was fun.